Good morning, students. So today we will perform an activity to see different images found by the convex lens. So this is a convex lens. So to perform this activity we will take first a candle, a biconvex lens. So to place this biconvex lens we have taken a V stand, and to observe the image, a screen. Right. So first take a candle as object and place it at 50 centimeters. Right. And take a V stand and place it exactly at 0. Now take a biconvex lens, adjust it on V stand. Good. Now to observe the image and to find out the distance from the lens to object and lens to image, we have marked the distance on the table with 5 centimeters each. Right. And we have taken a value 0 in the middle and we have increased the values at the both sides. So now we have taken a candle, and candle is adjusted at 50 centimeters. So this candle is taken as object. Now we placed this lens at 0, and now according to the position that move it forward and backward to observe formation of image clearly. Here you find a clear image. A clear image is formed here. So it is at approximate 33 to 33 centimeters. Right. Next, let us change position of image. So at position of object at 50 we got at 33, and according to the character it is a diminished and inverted image. Now let us take object at 40 centimeters. When object is at 40 centimeters, the position at 33, it is not making a clear image. Let us move it back. You can see here a clear image again at 40 centimeters only, and size of object and size of image is equal. Inverted equal size object and a real image. It's a real image because the image is able to form on the screen, so by that it's a real image. Now let us change the position of object again. If the object further changed to, okay, let me take 30 centimeters. When the object is at 30 centimeters where the image is forming, so I am adjusting it again by moving forward or back. So now if I move it up to here, yeah, here I am able to find a clear image. So here you can see a clear image. So it is approximately in between 50 and 55, nothing but 54, approximate 53 or 54 centimeters, and it's an enlarged image. You got an enlarged image. Okay, further, if I move it forward, if the object is further changed to 20 centimeters, when the object is at 20 centimeters, so we are not finding any image. If at all I am moving forward or back, I am unable to locate the position of the image. Indicates that it is not forming a clear image on the screen. So image will be formed at infinite distance. From that I can say this position is the focal point of this convex lens. And next, if I move it further closer to 15 centimeters, of course at 15 centimeters also I am unable to form a real image. It's not possible to form on the screen, but if I am able to locate it, if I want to check the image, I should look into the lens. Yeah, so if we see into the lens, I can see the candle and the flame through the lens, which is indicating that it is forming a virtual image, and it is enlarged comparing with the object. Enlarged, erect and virtual image is formed. So according to the different position of object, we found a different character and different position of the image. So according to the activity, we found different positions of the image and different character of the image. Let us describe it again. So we found, we first replaced object at 50 centimeters and image is formed at approximate 33 centimeters. Right. And what is the nature of image? It was inverted and it was diminished and real image. It was a real image, it was diminished image, and it was an inverted image. And next, if it is at 40 centimeters, we found image also at 40 centimeters only. Of course it was inverted, but it was of same size and it was real image. When the object is placed at 30 centimeters, we found approximate 54 centimeters as an image distance, and it was inverted image and it was enlarged image. We found a big size image and it was forming on the screen nothing but it was a real image. When the object was at 20 centimeters, we were unable to form image at either sides of the lens, as we didn't find it towards the image other side of the lens or towards side of the object also. So which indicates that we are unable to describe actually how the image character is. But if we consider it as an infinite, then I can say it's an inverted, it is an enlarged, and it's a real image. And next, when we placed object at 15 centimeters, then we exactly don't know the distance from mirror to image, because we were seeing lens to image, because we are seeing through the lens. We are not observing on the screen, we are seeing through the lens, which indicates it's a virtual image, it's not a real image. Of course it was not inverted, it was in the same direction, nothing but it was an enlarged, it was an erect image, and the size of the image was larger, so nothing but it's an enlarged image. So these are different characters of the images.